A gas stove is absolutely perfect for indoor grilling. Today I want to show you one of my favorite recipes using Ontario peaches. Run your knife along that. That's going to be the outside of the pip. And if you're lucky, twist it as you would an avocado. Pip stays in one side. Okay, that grill pan's hot now. You can see it smoking up a little bit. That's my cue to oil it. When you put them on, you want to press them down a little bit and do not move them. What I love about cooking with gas is that it's fast and very high immediate heat. Okay, they're done on one side. I've got those gorgeous crisscross char marks. I'm going to give them a couple of minutes on the back side. I'm going to fry up my pine nuts in a dry pan. Pine nuts in. That's going to bring a beautiful nutty flavor and also a texture to this dish. Okay, I've got my grilled peaches, some gorgeous ice cream. I've got my pine nuts, beautiful Ontario maple syrup, a little bit of icing sugar, a little bit of mint, cooked indoors, high heat, a perfect dessert all year round.